Welcome to the installation of the Decked 2.0 drawer system into our Jeep Gladiator. Today we're going to walk you through the process of adding this versatile and rugged storage system to our vehicle. First step, we unpacked the box and inspected everything to ensure nothing was damaged in shipping and everything was in the box. We then assembled the frame of the Decked 2.0 drawer system according to the included instructions given. This is a fairly easy and straightforward process. The Decked 2.0 drawer system is designed to maximize storage space while maintaining easy access to all your gear. With its durable construction and customizable organization options, it's the perfect addition for any adventure enthusiast. We have been overlanding for the past few years using just bins. It was a great way to organize our gear, but when we got to camp, we had to unload heavy bins, move some bins out of the way to get to other gear. So we started looking into ways to make things easier at camp and give us more room inside the bed of the Jeep. Once the frame is securely in place, it's time to install the bed drawer. We actually had an issue with our drawer not closing properly no matter what we did. We contacted Deck and was told that this was a known issue with the mid-size drawer system. They quickly processed our claim and sent us out a new front piece for the drawer, which arrived in just a few days. When the new front arrived, we did have to remove the handle off of the old front and reinstall it onto the new, which is a fairly quick and easy process, as you can see here. With the handle removed, we now needed to remove the old front piece of the drawer and install the new front piece. With the new front installed onto the drawer system, simply slide the drawer into the frame and make sure everything aligned properly for smooth operation, and then tighten everything down. Decked also provides an array of accessories available for the system, such as dividers, trays, and locks to customize it to suit your needs. And there you have it. With the Deck 2.0 drawer system installed into our Jeep Gladiator, we'll have all the storage space we need for our next off-road excursion or everyday adventure. We actually emptied 2 large bins and still have some space left for more gear. This also gives you the full width of the bed to use since it goes over the wheel wells. Thanks for watching, and happy trails.